How to fix device not supported in Fortnite Mobile. Now in this video, I'm going to show you specific ways for you to fix device not supported in Fortnite Mobile. So what happens all the time is actually if you go into Google Play Store and hit on install, it will not let you install the application as it was saying the error message that your device is not compatible. So here are a few things that you can do for you to run the game. First is make sure that you're running with Android 10.0 or higher for you to have an optimal performance, compatibility, or smooth gaming. However, you can still run with Android 8.0, but it's not might be older version on running the game. What you can do next is to go in your phone settings. Now from your phone settings, all I have to do is to use the magnifying glass and then type on update. Choose on updates. And from here, you're just gonna make sure that the UI or the operating system that you have on your mobile device is updated to the latest version, as it could factors out one error that the game is not letting you download it. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to fix Fortnite Mobile not supported on your device.